Alright, hey, what's up guys? We're back with another unboxing review, and today I got a fidget cube. So this is the front, work, class, home. The side, click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. The back, same thing as front, fidget cube, work, class, home. Side, same thing as the other side, the click, spin. So this is it. I got it in white and blue. The top of the box. Alright, so I just opened it. That's what it is when you open it. Right here, side. There's a plastic right here. Pull that up. Pull the fidget spinner up. Here, I'm guessing this is the breathe, click, that, and then the bottom's just a case. And then at that I got 4 fidget spinners. There you guys go. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. I was doing that. That is my fidget spinner and fidget cube unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and add me on my social media. Bye.